About this item brand background, Lineco is a leading and trusted brand for archival and high-quality art, photography, and framing supplies. Perfect protection, our box can safely storage your photos and important documents. It is used by professional photographers to house prized photos, albums, and scrapbooks. Premium quality, Lineco storage boxes are manufactured in USA. This box is made with 60-point board and lined with acid-free archival quality and lignin-free. Clamshell design, created with metal edge construction on the corners, adding great durability and strength. The lid does not come off and a thumb cut, providing easy access to open and close. Overall size, 13.5 x 19.5 x 1.75 for 13x19 documents, newspapers, certificates, pictures, important delicate prints, and old pictures. See more product details in the description to get this product today at the best price. About this item brand background, Lineco is a leading and trusted brand for archival and high-quality art, photography, and framing supplies.